Wala pala. Yan. Ubus ko ito pala.
Buo. Good morning, guys. Today is my day off and I'm here in our village. So I wake up so early today, like 5:30, and I get up so early as well. It's raining outside, and yeah, Tuto is practicing his play gun, and he's now getting some bala for it. He'll be come back soon. May malad ah. Pila ng bala hay? Pila ng bala? Abo yung binatang. Ba, my God, makasa ah.